What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing something new on the 335 and we're gonna have some fun. All right, so there's a couple things that we need to change here that does not look very good in the front. And I don't know if you guys can tell what it is that we're gonna be changing today, but I'm assuming you guys already know. Yes, if you said headlights, we are changing these headlights. Not because they're getting yellow and all ugly and stuff, because that can be cleaned up. But look at this. Look at my projector lens. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look. It completely fell out of place. So to fix that, I need to remove the headlights, open them up, and then, and we're not doing all of that. So that's why we're going to be replacing them with new headlights. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, I'm in this parking lot. It's gonna rain. It's a stormer. Oh, I can't even see out there. It's too bright. But yeah, let's get to work. Guys, and I do apologize if it is kind of loud here with the wind, because there's a storm going on. And I'm over here working on my car. So, work with me, okay? So now to remove the bumper, you gotta take this one off, this one, this one, this one. Two down here on the inside. I have two on the bottom, one right here, one on the other side. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and of course, you gotta remove the fender liner. That way you can get to it. So before I do anything, I want to put my fog light bulbs back in, because I removed them since now I don't have fog lights. But now I have a code saying that fog light might, what did you call it? Malfunction. So we're just gonna throw these back on. Then we're gonna continue to take these off. If you guys have these, just cut them off, which I'm thinking of doing right now, cutting it off. The only thing is that I don't have a bolt that I can put through it so it don't leak. So I'm going to leave it there for now. Those are the headlight washer things. I disabled them. I coded them out. I don't want them. So there's still more holding this thing in. What the hell? Look at my projector lens, bro. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that thing's hanging back there. So the new headlights are on. Cause I've been going through it quick because I need to leave. It's getting windy as hell. It's about to start raining. The storm is coming. But I still gotta put the bumper and everything on. But let me show you guys the lights. I still haven't turned them on, but they look so good. Oh my goodness. Ta-da! Here are the new headlights. These are the X5 style headlights, and they look so good. Let me go turn on the lights. I already connected the battery in the back. Let's see if the lights turn on. Woo. Look at that animation. Oh my goodness. Beautiful, man. These things are beautiful. Look at that. Then look at this side over here. Oh, Jesus Christ. Wait till I put everything back on. Shit, man. I'll get back to you guys in a few. Let me finish putting everything back on, put this car down, and then we'll do some cinematics. Alright, so we're back. It's raining, but we're back. Let's throw this front lip on. I also got the side splitters that we're gonna be putting on. But first, let's start with this. Not even the rain is stopping us. I mean, you know, we're in here, but still. I should have been home right now in bed, like I was a few minutes ago. And I was like, let me go put this front lip on and the side skirt. So I'm not gonna put the camera on the tripod because it's gonna be getting wet. So I'll show you guys once I put the front lip on. You guys already know how to do that, so I don't think I need to show you guys. But let me throw the front lip on and then I'll show you guys, and then we'll throw the splitters on the sides. What's up, guys? Good morning. Today is the next day. I'm at work, as you guys can see, but I want to show you guys this car. It's still raining, but I cleaned it up, and this thing, oh my God, beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. This thing cleans up pretty well. Can't wait to get rid of these rims, wheels, and get the actual wheels that I really want for this car. But that's gonna be closer to the summer next year, so you know, there's no rush. Winter is coming around, and we don't need wheels right now. So let's say this is my winter mode, my winter setup. Those headlights complement the car so much. The front lip just needs some tints now. I know once I tint this car, it's gonna look way better. But the thing with the tints is, I don't think you guys can see it, but there's like some wiper scratches on the windshield. So I don't know if that's gonna be visible with once I tint it. Oh my goodness! I ordered my 10mm spacers. Hopefully 10 is enough. Probably. I think it's probably gonna be too much. Probably need like a 5mm. But we can test out the 10s to see how that comes out. And if we come back here, we need some love back here. I ordered my rear bumper like a month ago. Still waiting on that to come in. I was thinking of getting a duck bell, but I don't know, I might just get a CSL trunk. The roof, now we're gonna wrap it black. Once we tint all the windows and the black roof, it's gonna look way better. But yeah, guys. Oh, and look at the side skirt extensions right there. They don't look bad. It complements it a lot, especially with the front lip. Because without the front lip and no side skirts, no side splitters, it looked weird. But hey, comment down below what you guys think. How is she looking? Before I end this video, I want to show you guys the modes on the headlights. You know, when it turns on, high beams, low beams, turn signals, hazards, and all stuff like that. That way you guys can see it.